Nneka, black girl, 7 years old, and the monkey remained on top of the tall tree. The air was cool, and the forest was quiet, but Nneka's heart was not calm. While on the tree, she could see the kidnappers moving around below. They were still searching for her. The men were talking in low voices, looking everywhere. Nneka held her breath and pressed her back against the tree. "They are still here," she said. The monkey, Momo, placed a hand on her shoulder to calm her down. "Please, let them go. I'm afraid. I don't want them to catch me. I don't want to go with them. I want to stay with you, Mama," she said in her heart, her eyes filled with fear. But the men refused to leave the place. The kidnappers walked round and round the big tree. They had already seen reasons to search the area further, because there are evidence that she is there. She is here. We must not leave this place. We must capture that girl. If we don't capture her, we can't make money. "Let us search carefully," the gang leader said. Minutes passed, and the men refused to move away. They were stepping on dry leaves and looking under bushes. "Oga, maybe she ran away," one of them said. But their leader shouted that the search must continue. "Keep quiet. She is around here," the leader said. Nneka's legs began to feel pain. She wanted to change her position a little, but she was afraid. She prayed silently in her heart. "God, please don't let them find me," she said. The monkey held her arm, as if telling her to stay calm. The forest wind blew gently, shaking some branches. The men didn't notice. They were too busy looking around the ground. They did not look up. If they slightly look up, they will see her. Then something happened. Nneka moved her hand without thinking. Her fingers touched some dry leaves beside her. One of the leaves fell from the tree and went down slowly, turning round and round in the air until it landed on the ground near the gang leader's feet.